Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2020 Honda Pioneer 1000 Deluxe. Has 75-80% tread on the front tires. Winch and plow. Street legal kit with blinkers. The tip out windshield. Slider window doors. Does have a heater. And say like 75-80% tread on the rear tires. Tilt assist dump box. Has side mirrors. There's a heater. Winch controllers here. Plugs in there. Turn signals. Horn. Winch, wired winch controllers there. This machine's got 171 engine hours. 2,278 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300.